Headed out to the island, Matagorda Island, out of Port O'Connor, Texas. Got drawn on one of those Texas public draw hunts. I've done this hunt before. It's a pretty fun hunt. So I suggest everybody put in their $3 and try and get drawn, because it's pretty fun. Check it out. There we go, Matagorda Island, drawn deer hunt. Yes, sir. Already catching fish. We got the shrimp, big old triz out. Finna catch some more, bunch of ribbon fish and stuff. We're gonna go catch a deer. There's Brandon. I'm gonna go catch us a deer in a little bit.
Catching deers?
Oh yeah. There we go. They just dropped us off in the truck. About 15 miles down an old shell road. Look at this. Just bald open island. No people, no nothing. Deer tracks everywhere, deer sign. I mean, I've seen several bucks on the drive over here. There's my blind. No feeders, no nothing, just long grass shots. Day 2, decided to come to the lighthouse end of the island. It's a little different here. It's a lot flatter, lower grass. There's a lighthouse right there. Was successful on a buck yesterday evening. Seen 11 bucks driving to the stand. Now all I need is a doe and I'm tagged out. Where we at?
Matagorda Island.
That's right. Catching fish. Hooked up 2 head at a time. Oh, I don't even think I can reel them. I don't even think I can get them in, dude. Not with 2 on there. Hold. Film.
Sorry, it's filming already? Yeah, it is.
I'm not gonna break my wife's rod.
I'd have it on video. Dang, double up on the ribbons.
Dang. Oh, big old nasty ribbon fish. teeth on that guy. Just got back from the island. Got the meat all put away. Out here doing Euro mounts on a cull buck I shot at place the other day, and then I got the buck that I shot at the island to do after, so it's going to be a while. Man, it was a good trip. Hopefully I get drawn again. It's hard to get drawn, but everybody should pay your $3 and put in for the public hunts. Because if you do get drawn, it's well worth it, no matter what the location.